everyone. My name is Kushagra Sengupta and I study in class 7 of Tagore International School, Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. I have been associated with Playto for a long time and have made wonderful projects. One such project is the ATM machine that I've brought for you to watch. Let's start with the components. The first component is the pulse delay. The second is the receiver, the motor, 2 batteries and connecting wires. In the second box, we have the switch, the transmitter and the battery. In the third box, we have the most important thing, the motor and the money. Hey guys, now the ATM machine is finally ready to be showcased. Now that we have the ATM machine ready, let's see its parts. The money slot. From this, the money comes out. In the card slot, we insert the card. In the keypad, we insert the amount of how much money we want. From this button, we activate the motor which gives out the money. And the power button, switches on all the system in the ATM machine. So now let's see the functioning. Now, first we insert the card in. The power button is already switched on, so we can move on to the keypad. In the keypad, we insert the amount we want. I want for 3. So I insert 3 and save it. 1, 2, 3. Save. With this button, I'll switch on the motor. As you can see, for 3 seconds it comes out. Let me go again. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, so much money has come out. This is the thing of the ATM machine. Thank you Playto Labs for giving me this opportunity to showcase my projects. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.